Racing as they battle for the Club Don Juan Handicap Trophy race. We have Oye, como ba, break quickly restart. Alonso is on the outside, down on the inside comes True Money, while Explosivo is the early trailer by about 3 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, True Money, Oye, como ba, in the middle portion. And on the outside third is Alonso, Explosivo who is racing in fourth. And as they swing down the back, we have Oye, como ba, now takes command by about half length. True Money is down on the inside. Alonso is racing in third. Then next on line now is Explosivo. Back to the leader. We have Oye, como ba, this time by about 2 lengths. Alonso in second. True Money remains in third, while Explosivo still racing in fourth. And at the fourth turn, we have Oye, como ba, by about 2 lengths. And in second is Alonso. True Money remains in third, while Explosivo still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Oye, como ba, this time by about 3 lengths. Alonso keep on working very hard in second. True Money is on the outside third. Explosivo with about 100 meters of the race. We have Oye, como ba, this time by about 4 lengths over Alonso in second. True Money, and finally we have Oye, como ba. Second is Alonso, then comes True Money, Explosivo.
Only the third choice in the betting.
Right. Oye, como ba? It's 4-5-3 ang ating unofficial na datingan.